Global Corner User Application Tutorial. You can log in into your account by entering your username, which is your registered mobile number and password. This is the home page of Global Corner application. On the top of it, you can find the user location option. On the right topmost of the screen, you can find the option to change your cashback option with 4 different types, which we will learn later. Also here on the screen, we have option of My Cashback, which will give you the information of your own cashback. In the offer segment, users can find out good deals which would be given by the brands itself. Next segment is very important as it provides the information regarding the cashback and coins which you have received. You will get an option to transfer the received reward to your bank account by providing all the details. You can even request for GG coins from your friends and family. Similarly, you can transfer the coins to your known one as well. The passbook will be having all the details of your all transaction. To redeem the coins at local vendor, you can click on the pay option. Moving to GG voucher segment, here you will find the GG wallet vouchers which you can later use in bill pay and recharge and mega brand segment. Notification segment will give you all the latest update regarding the portal. Now starting with our different segments available on the portal. Coming to the first segment, bill pay and recharge. You can pay all your bills through this segment, whether it is mobile, electricity, landline, broadband, DTH and many more. The next segment is of best shopping website where we have option of Amazon 1mg. If you want to shop from Amazon, you need to click on the option given. Go through all the terms and conditions and then you will be redirected to Amazon website. Now, you can do your shopping and later when the product is delivered to you, kindly upload the bill of it to receive the cashback benefit. Similarly, the procedure would be same for 1mg. Moving to the mega brand segment, we have approximately 170 plus brands associated with us. For an example, if a user wants to shop through 109F brand, then he needs to click on the brand, select the quantity and amount and add it to the cart. And can pay for it through various payment options which include GG voucher as well. Then the user will receive the voucher in the registered mail or in the My Orders option. In some of the brand, as you can see, you will find GG coin option on top of it, which indicates that in the particular brand you can redeem GG coins. Next segment is of nearby stores. In this, user can find local vendor of their area associated with Global Corner, from where user can shop through them and get the benefit of cashback. This option has a good benefit that the user can contact the vendor easily, also can see all the products and services which are available at the store. In some of the local vendors, as you can find the option of GG coin on top of it, which indicates that in the particular store you can redeem GG coins, which has a limitation of 5% on your bill amount. You can also find the direct option to search of desired service and products. Coming to the next segment, which is travel, here you can get all travel related booking options. You just have to provide all the details like date of journey, origin and destination. Suppose if a user wants to book a flight, he needs to first select the type of trip and then select to and from destination, date and the passengers. Once all the details are filled, click on search. Now the user will be able to see all flights available according to the details provided. Similarly, if user wants to stay in a hotel, then he can search for the city provide the rest of the details and he will be able to find all the available options. And there are other segments as well like food, Swatantra, loan and Manimo. We also have an option of GG voucher which gives you the benefit of an instant UPV generation. You can use this voucher in segments like Mega Brand and Bill Pay and Recharge. To purchase this voucher, user needs to select the quantity and the amount and add the voucher to the cart. And here from the cart, user can proceed for the further transaction. These are some options of BSW, Mega Brand and local vendor. Coming to the main menu, the first option is of profile. From here, user can view their profile details, cashback details from here, in my favorite option, the user can view their choice of Mega Brand or BSW or vendor if selected. In referral option, user can view his referred user or vendor and his earnings from the referral program. Next option are related to user's address, which user can change if he wish to. And the last option is regarding the card details of the user. Coming back to the main menu, we here have an option of bill upload. In this option, user needs to upload bill of BSW and 1mg. In my orders, user can find all the transactions done by him. In the stats option, user can get current stats of Global Garner regarding users registered on the portal, total cashback and coins given. He can further view to his own stats of cashback. Know Us is a segment in which you can get the information regarding what is user benefited with if he uses Global Garner for his daily needs, how cashback is processed, vendor benefits, current contest going on, and many more. In UPV exchange option, user can sell his UPV to others and can also buy UPVs. If a user has any query or issue, he can go to the Need Help option, click on Contact Us, further click to contact Global Garner and raise a ticket by providing all the required details. We have other features like creatives, credits, rate us, which a user can explore